In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Toolbar in Affinity Photo. If you've ever wished the top horizontal toolbar felt more personal or efficient, this walkthrough is for you. We'll tailor the toolbar so it reflects how you work, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. You'll see how to add and remove icons, rearrange them, control labels, and even reset everything back to how it started. First, let's open the Customization panel. In Affinity Photo, go to the View menu and choose Customize Toolbar. That opens a dedicated dialog showing all the available tools and commands you can add to the toolbar. If you prefer a quicker route, you can also right-click directly on the toolbar area and pick Customize Toolbar from there. Either way, you'll get the same panel, ready for you to curate your setup. To add tools, look through the list in the dialog and drag any item straight onto the toolbar at the top of the window. As you move it around, you'll see where it's about to land. Drop it exactly where you want it to appear. Think about your most frequent actions and put them in places your mouse naturally travels to. A little planning here can save you clicks later. If the toolbar feels crowded or you added something you don't need, removing items is just as simple. While that Customize Toolbar dialog is still open, drag any icon from the toolbar off into the document area and release it. It disappears from the toolbar but remains available in the dialog, so you can always bring it back later. Reordering is equally straightforward. With the customization dialog open, drag icons left or right on the toolbar to shuffle them into a more logical sequence. Release the mouse to lock each one into its new position. Group related actions together to build muscle memory and keep your layout tidy. You can also decide how much text you want to see. In the same Customize Toolbar dialog, find the Show pop-up menu and choose either Icon Only or Icon and Text. Icon Only keeps things compact, ideal for smaller screens. Icon and Text can be great while you're learning or when you want extra clarity at a glance. And if things don't turn out the way you hoped, you can reset. Open View. Choose Customize Toolbar again, and at the bottom of the dialog, drag the default toolbar strip back onto the toolbar. That instantly restores the original set of icons and gives you a clean slate. That's all you need to confidently shape the toolbar to fit your workflow in Affinity Photo.